This is a tasty, simple recipe for pierogies in a casserole with cheese, bacon, and onions. Lots of onions. I bought a big sack of onions, $7.98 Canadian for 50 pounds. Works out to 15 cents a pound. So a lot of my recipe is going to have onions in it. So first bring the water to a boil, then put in the pierogies. We're going to go with a couple pounds of this pierogies. So as soon as the pierogies float to the top, we're going to strain them and run them through cold water. So they're floating right now. So just rinse the pierogies in cold water, and then we're ready for the next step. So first we're going to grill some bacon here. I got 4 slices of bacon. In the far end of the pan I've got some oil going. I've got about 3 onions here, 3 small onions. So the reason we're using onions, there is a recipe for pierogies with bacon and onion, but I have 50 pounds of onions that I bought real cheap. So I'm going to turn the heat on to high right now, just give it a good sear. I'm going to salt the onions a little bit, just put about half a teaspoon of salt. This is the natural sea salt. Put some butter in there. Put a little pepper in there. Half teaspoon. I'm going to put some of this sour cream. So you have sour cream. I'm going to put about a cup in there. Or more or less. It's up to you. I like it with more. A little more. Some cream. So this is a 10% cream. It's actually half and half, but you can use the heavy cream if you like. So we're going to put about maybe 3/4 cup. So just let it simmer. I'll turn it down to medium now. So I'm going to put some thyme. So I'm going to put about maybe like a tablespoon. Depending how much you want, I'm going to put about a tablespoon. Now it's bubbling, so I can load the casserole dish now. This is fairly deep, so you want something that's fairly deep. It's going to bubble inside. Casserole dish. I'm going to grease the casserole dish, put about a tablespoon of cooking oil in there. So just take a napkin and just go over the bottom and the side with the oil. I got peanut oil, but you can use other kind of cooking oil like corn oil or canola oil. I'm going to top it off right now with the sauce. So I'm going to cover it with this heavy duty lid. And I'm going to pop it in the oven. So for my oven it's 400 degrees. For your oven it might be less. So each oven is different. Goes in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to pop it in for 20 minutes. Then I'll put cheese on top of it and broil it for another 10 minutes under the broiler. We'll check the casserole now. So it's been about half an hour. Oh, it's bubbling nicely. I'm going to switch this off onto broil. Here I have cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese. So put the two together. It's my favorite combination. You can use other kind of cheese if you like, or just one kind of cheese. There you have it. Baked pierogies with bacon and onions. Lots of onions. Enjoy. Recipes you get now is what I call stay-at-home recipes. This is what I have in my fridge. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. Put it in the comments in the section below. And be sure to give me a like. And be sure to subscribe. And make sure you click the bell so I can keep giving you more videos.